Good afternoon, my name's Ben Cooper. I just want to do a quick little walk around video now, just introducing the latest vehicle onto the Blue Auto forecourt. This is a 2014 14 plated Audi A3 Cabriolet. It's the 1.8 litre TFSI Sport Automatic. Comes to us with a full Audi service history, having had 3 services from new at 3, 7 and 10,000 miles. The car has currently just covered just over 12,000 miles from new. So specification on our car includes, we have park assist, which is rather handy, satellite navigation, front and rear sensors, Bluetooth audio, cruise and climate control. So I think we'll start at the front of the grille, Audi's characteristic big grilled front. This vehicle comes to us in excellent condition, no chips or scuffs or anything like that. Hopefully you'll be able to see from the video the front parking sensors there. No stone chips on the bonnet. All the alloy wheels are unmarked, unscuffed. Just go round to the rear of the car now, so we'll just show you the boot. Right. So there we go, really decent sized boot. Should just about be able to fit a set of golf clubs in there. You can see there even the lip of the boot there, which quite often is scratched or scuffed. This one is in really good condition. Got quite a nice double exhaust system there. Just gives the car that kind of premium finish. So just going into the front of the car now. Just show you the rear space. So there we go, the rear seats, really good condition. No obvious marks or anything on them. Show you the front of the car now. Front driver's seat. Again, even all the sidewalls are all really good condition. Probably as you would expect really of a car of this age and mileage. So just getting into the car, see a few of the instruments. Right, I'll show you this satellite navigation system, which is really quite smart. There we go, and that is a flat screen monitor as well. Starting the car up. So you've got the Audi 3-spoke leather steering wheel, multi-function as you can probably see. Right, let me just close the door so I can show you the mileage of the car. So 12,305 miles from new. Got cruise control situated just under the steering wheel. This car also comes with automatic lighting, which is quite a nice handy feature. And should you wish to drive the car as a manual, you'll be able to see you've got the paddle shifters just sitting here at the rear of the steering wheel. Audi's new look sleek dashboard layout. So your climate control system here. You've then got obviously the Audi multimedia system. As you can see, the car has DAB radio as well. Park assist, so this vehicle will park itself. And satellite navigation, which is full screen and colour. To select these different options, you have a control panel just here, so navigation, or press down for telephone. And again, you've got the radio button here, press up, and you get the relevant options come up on the screen. To change the radio stations, you're merely turning this dial here and then pressing it to select. Let's just show you what the car looks like with the roof down. So from start to finish, the roof will go all the way back within 18 seconds, which is pretty impressive. Just show you what the car looks now with the roof down. Just in time for summer. And there we go. Should you have any other questions or would like to organise a test drive, our telephone number is 01825 761 222.